Hello world, I'm Luis Angela Espinosa and welcome to BC News Updates. It's currently April 7, 2024 and the time is 8 a.m. Let's take a look at the weather forecast for today in our area. Starting with our local forecast, Daraga Albay can expect partly cloudy skies with scattered showers and thunderstorms. Temperatures will range between 25 degrees Celsius to 32 degrees Celsius. There's a 90% chance of rain, so don't forget your umbrellas. Now let's take a look at what's happening nationally. Across the country, weather conditions vary significantly. In the northern regions, such as Baguio and Benguet, expect cool temperatures with a chance of fog in the morning. In Metro Manila, it will be a hot and humid day with temperatures soaring up to 34 degrees Celsius. Meanwhile, in the southern regions like Davao City, anticipate isolated thunderstorms in the afternoon. That wraps up our weather forecast for today. Remember to stay informed and prepared for any changes in weather conditions. Join us again for more updates here on BC News Updates. I'm Luis Angela Espinosa. Thanks for watching.